What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a flip cup using these colors, and I really love these colors together. So we have a cerulean blue, we have a silver, magenta, naphthenol red. I don't know how to say that word really. And then we have a fluorescent orange. I do have some metallic white because there will be some weird interactions between that orange and blue. They don't really like each other too much. So I'm going to be layering this metallic white between the oranges and the blues, trying to prevent muddying from happening. And with that, we're just going to go. All these paints are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium that I used for this is Artist's Loft pouring medium. And I'm looking for some nice defined colors. So I'm going to try to avoid letting them mix or churn too much. There's 1 drop of the OGX coconut milk hair serum in each color. The titanium white I didn't put any in, just so that way I can also use that as a base coat if I choose. So how's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm about to get into doing a whole series about geodes, and I'm excited. If you haven't had the chance to see that live stream that we did over the last week and a half, we did a geode for over our television and it ended up looking really cool. I don't work enough with resin to really know how to get the effects that I want, so some of the effects that came in that resin were really awesome. So I'm layering the white between that blue and the orange. I don't want them to really interact too much because they are across from each other on the color wheel, so they cancel each other out. So I'm just trying to be careful with where the orange touches the blue. And that's really all I'm too concerned with. It's making small layers. That silver is going to look so cool. All right, let's see. Yeah. We do need some more white. We don't have very much going on in this painting here. The thinner you make your bands, the smaller the cells will be with the colors packed in them. You'll get a whole bunch of multicolored cells like that. And you can see the oil already reacting with that silver, kind of creating just cells on its own, which I think are really cool. Kind of curious if we'll get to see the silver like in its own band or not. But yeah, it's been a while since I've actually painted, you guys. I'm definitely excited about it. That's white. There we go. Let's put that white over the top there. This cup is already looking really cool. Some really cool looking stuff already in the cup. It's already really beautiful. Let's see here. All right. And you know what? I might just use the rest of these to... I normally don't do this, you guys. I normally do the nasty, messy flip, but I'm trying to prevent as much mud as I can. So make sure we're back where we need to be. Yep. And then I'm just going to use the remainder of the paint to give it something to kind of slide on. Plus it'd be really cool if it creates cells of that color too. love cerulean blue. It's such a pretty color, you guys. And you can see that silver's already got some cells coming up into it. Looking good. I'm very excited for the series on geodes, because you guys really like them and I like them too. All right. I mean, I guess we might as well get this little tiny bit of orange out there. Looks so cool. And I think we're ready. Are you guys ready? Oh, wow. Wow, look at those colors. That is beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm not seeing any greens or grays really. There's a tiny, tiny bit of overmixing here. Man, that looks so nice. All right, so let's apply some heat. That is pretty. Dang. So apply a little bit of heat, get some cells going, pop some bubbles. They're coming, slowly but surely. I do enjoy using the heat gun just because it's a little bit more controlled. The torch tends to, the cells grow really fast and you can't really gauge how they're gonna grow. So, I mean, I'll show you the difference with the torch. So you can see all those cells opened up where the flame kind of kissed. And then in this area here, they're just opening up. With the heat gun, it's more slow and gradual, easier to control, but you do get some really interesting effects just letting the flames lightly kiss the paint. All right, I think we're ready, you guys. What do you think? I think we're ready to stretch this puppy out. That was just a nice light spin, nothing too forceful. Don't need it. Right now we're just helping the paint slide and move. Got some really cool looking stuff going on in there right now. Oh wow, look at that. Jeez. Oh man, I love that. Like the whole thing. Sometimes I don't like certain parts, but like this whole thing looks nice. So we're gonna go through. I'm applying some heat. We've thinned the layers out a little bit more, so any more cells that can pop up, this will help them on their journey to the surface. Wow, that's beautiful. There are so many little things going on in here. Like the little pomegranate looking cells there. Just, I don't even know, man. There's so much cool stuff in here. So let me bring you guys down, check it out. All right, so this is the wet point of view from a distance so you guys can kind of see it. And then when we get close, like there's just so much going on. Really love that vibrant naphthenol red, maybe that's how you say it. But yeah, this thing came out so nice. I love it.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.